Turkey is ramping up its air defense game with the mass production of the Gürz 150, a hybrid air and missile defense system developed by Aselsan. Marketed as a direct challenger to Russia's Pantsir S-1, the system is set to shake up the short-range air defense (SHORAD) landscape. This report comes via Morocco-based Defense Arabic. Aselsan claims Gürz 150 outperforms the widely deployed Pantsir S-1 thanks to its cutting-edge autonomous operation, advanced threat assessment, and smart fire control algorithms. The system integrates multiple defensive layers, combining a 35mm automatic cannon for close-range threats with short-range surface-to-air missiles (SAMs), including Turkey's indigenous Gökdoğan and Bozdoğan missiles. But Gürz 150 isn't just about kinetic firepower. It also packs a serious electronic warfare (EW punch) with the Kangal EW suite, designed to jam and deceive enemy systems, giving it a layered defense capability rarely seen in this class. The system's sensor suite includes an AESA radar, friend or foe identification, IFF tech, an electro-optical tracking system, and a fully integrated targeting platform, ensuring rapid detection and engagement of incoming threats. Designed for maximum mobility, the Gürz 150 is mounted on an 8-Chang 28-wheeled tactical vehicle, allowing for high-speed deployment and even fire-on-the-move capability on its edge that could prove decisive in modern battlefields. Unlike standalone SHORAD units, Gürz 150 can operate independently or as part of a networked squadron, with one vehicle acting as a command node for coordinated engagements. This squad-based functionality makes it particularly effective against swarm drone attacks, air-to-ground missiles, cruise missiles, and even manned aircraft. With drone warfare evolving at breakneck speed, Gürz 150 is positioned as Turkey's answer to emerging aerial threats. The system is expected to play a critical role in protecting high-value assets such as military bases, forward operating positions, and key infrastructure. Its modular design means it can be adapted for different operational requirements, from border security to frontline air defense. Turkey's defense industry has been on a steady rise in recent years, with increasing investments in indigenous technology and a push for self-sufficiency. Gürz 150 represents a significant step in that direction, leveraging homegrown innovation to challenge established systems in the global arms market. While Pantsir S-1 has proven its effectiveness in various combat zones, its limitations against advanced drone swarms and modern electronic warfare threats have been noted. Aselsan appears confident that Gürz 150 addresses these weaknesses, offering a more adaptable and multi-layered defense solution. Whether Gürz 150 will truly surpass the Pantsir S-1 in real combat conditions remains to be seen. However, its advanced capabilities, multi-role flexibility, and integration of kinetic and electronic warfare make it a formidable new player in the SHORAD category. As production ramps up, all eyes will be on Turkey's latest air defense innovation to see how it performs on the battlefield. The composition of short-range air defense (SHORAD) systems in the Turkish Army includes a variety of indigenous and modernized platforms aimed at countering low-altitude aerial threats. The Turkish defense industry, particularly companies like Roketsan and Aselsan, have been key players in developing these systems. The Hisar missile family forms a significant part of the SHORAD capabilities of the Turkish Army. Hisar A, known as Alçak İrtifa Hava Savunma Füze Sistemi in Turkish, is a short-range air defense system mounted on an FNSS ACV-30 tracked vehicle chassis. Hisar A uses 4 vertically launched missiles equipped with an infrared homing seeker. Its acceptance tests were successfully conducted in 2021, leading to its integration into the Turkish Armed Forces. Hisar Agia 1 followed, with improvements that allowed for better performance. Its deployment was noted in various operations, including in Libya and Syria's Idlib province as part of Operation Spring Shield. Hisar, or Orta İrtifa Hava Savunma Füze Sistemi, extends the range further into the medium category, offering an effective engagement range against targets at a higher altitude than Hisar A. Hisar O systems are mounted on a Mercedes-Benz Zetros chassis, providing a mobile platform for medium-range air defense. The Hisar OGA-1 variant has been in mass production since 2021, with deliveries to the Turkish Army starting in 2022. This system also uses infrared homing for terminal guidance, with an inertial navigation system for mid-course guidance, supplemented by an RF data link. The Hisar missile systems have seen interest from other countries as well, notably Ukraine, which expressed interest in Hisar OGA-1. There's also a naval version, Hisar DRF, indicating the versatility of these systems beyond land-based applications. Another notable system is the Gürz, a hybrid short to medium-range air defense system developed by Aselsan, based on the Anadolu Isuzu Sayit 8-Cheng-28 vehicle. This system integrates a 35mm cannon, capable of using particulate ammunition, along with air defense missiles like Bozdoğan or Gökdoğan derivatives for low-altitude threats, providing multi-layered defense capabilities. In the context of Turkish military operations, these SHORAD systems have been deployed to counter aerial threats from drones, helicopters, and low-flying aircraft, showcasing Turkey's commitment to enhancing its air defense capabilities through indigenous development. The evolution from Hisar A to Hisar OGA-1 and the introduction of systems like Gürz illustrate a strategy of continuous improvement and adaptation to emerging aerial threats. The integration of these systems into the Turkish Army structure not only bolsters its defensive posture against aerial threats, but also signifies Turkey's push towards self-sufficiency in military technology, reducing reliance on foreign arms while fostering a robust domestic defense industry. This approach ensures that the systems are tailored to the specific operational needs of the Turkish forces, providing both cost-effectiveness and strategic independence. As Turkey continues to expand its domestic defense capabilities, Gürz 150 and the Hisar missile family signal a strong commitment to innovation and self-reliance. These advancements could redefine the country's position in the global arms market while reinforcing its national security.